If you tired of zombies grabbing you, then there is a mod that will make avoid zombies grabbing, and zombies will only attack you guys. Stopped grabbing. I show you guys how to do that. You just need to close the game. Just need to check my video description for this mod link. Don't grab me. Scroll down and go to files and select the manual download option. Select the slow download option and it will start downloading. If you are new to this site, then you will be redirected to login page. You just need to log in to this site, guys. If you doesn't have an account, then select the register option and create a new account, and then select the slow download option and it will be download done. Right click on the downloaded file and select WinRAR and select extract to. After getting extract done, just double click on the extracted folder. Now have it in the left side, navigate to the game folder. After you are in the game folder, go to ph_ft source, drag and drop this file to this folder and select the replace the file in the destination, and then just close off here and open the game. Now zombies will attack and doesn't gonna grab you. As you can see, it will avoid grabbing most time, but it doesn't avoid 100% of grabbing, but it does avoid not to aggress you guys. Uh, that's how it's the mod works. And don't forget to leave a like, guys. Thank you.